Hi PBL2. I wanted to give you a quick Desmos demonstration of a tool that you're going to soon find really useful when it comes to solving for trig. So I wanted first to create a well-known triangle for you guys, which is the triangle, this 30, 60, 90 triangle that's existing right now between 0, 0, 5, 0, and the point 5, 5 root 3. So you can kind of picture that 30, 60, 90 in there. We know the slope of this line. It's 5 root 3 divided by 5, which is root 3. Now, we also know that there's a 60-degree angle in the corner there. So as we begin to use tangent, Desmos can do basically all the trig functions that we need it to do. So maybe you'll see some connections here, and if you don't start to see some connections, then at least you'll have the tools to go looking for them once you start to investigate these trig connections. What I want you to do when you're working in trig right now is click the wrench in the upper right hand corner and make sure that you are in degree mode. Desmos will always default to radian mode. We'll talk about radians soon enough, but for now we want to work in degrees. And that is such that if you happen to turn on the grid so that we were looking at degrees in terms of like circular radiating circles, you could see how that would line up with 60 degrees. So you might find that interesting to look at it that way. I'm going to leave it in our normal grid, but I have degree mode turned on. Now, if I want to know the tangent of 60 degrees, I go into Functions, Tangent of 60 degrees. Oh, interesting. It looks like it is the square root of 3. And then the other thing that might be interesting to do is to do the inverse tangent of the square root of 3. Interesting. This is kind of what we're getting at this week, looking at these connections and what they mean. Remember, inverse is swapping the input and the output. Something to think about. Thanks for watching.